The shout out for this video goes to Art Designer. If you guys want a shout out in my next video, all you need to do is subscribe and comment anything with this emoji and you might get a shout out. Hi guys, it's me Navya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is gonna be planning for the new year 2022 and getting in the spirit for the new year. For me, it's 31st of December today, but you guys are watching this in the new year only, so that's crazy. But I can't believe it's already 2022. Like, I think 2021 went by so quick. Like, I just snapped my fingers and there's 2022. But that's totally fine because I think I made a lot of cool memories. I met so many new people. And yeah, I think I've done a great job this year. But I just wanted to let you all know that if 2021 wasn't the year for you, it's totally okay. Just start fresh for the new year and you can just grab your things and plan your year with me. So I have a few things planned that I want to get done. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is set up my planner because I am so excited. I got a new planner if you guys didn't know, and today I'll be just making some new bullet spreads, some new things in there that I want to add, and Alright, so you guys, so the first spread that I wanted in my planner was a mood tracker. I really wanted a mood tracker in my planner to see how my mood changes throughout the month. So I saw this idea on Pinterest where it looks like you have Polaroid stuck onto a rope, and I think it was so cute, which is why I just had to add this in my planner. So I just took a pencil and drew rough lines, and then I used this black fine liner to overline it. And my spread number 1, which was a mood tracker, is all complete. I am absolutely in love with how it looks like. Now let's move on to the next spread. Alright, so this next one is a habit tracker. So what I did is I used some color pencils. I made mini calendars for like 4 different habits that I wanted to track throughout the month, so that at the end of each day I can just scratch out the day that I've done that habit. Things that I want to track, which are sleeping early, eating healthy, water, and then posting posting a YouTube video. So this next spread was a daily routine check. So I just wrote down a few things that are in my daily routine, like that I do literally every single day, and I just love once I have ticked everything off, which is why I made this. And this is how I did. I just used the same fine liner and made boxes for 31 days and wrote down the activities that I need to get done. Little bit space was left beneath, so I just drew some hearts and made a border, and I wrote down these songs that I have been loving during that month, and I just thought this would be such a cool idea. This last one was the doodle page, so that at the end of each day I can make a doodle, and at the end of the month it would be all completed. Hi guys, so it's much later now. Sorry if my voice is cracking a little bit. I have a sore throat, but it's all fine. My journal setup is all complete. Now I think I'm gonna make my vision board for the new year. But I think vision boards are so fascinating and I really want to make my own for this new year. So I'll quickly show you how I make mine. So I'm going on Pinterest right now and I'll be searching for like a few inspirations to see how I want to make my vision board. So I'll quickly just search up some pictures that I want to add in my vision board. So here are a few pictures that I am gonna add in mine. So this one right here says eat your greens, and this means that I want to eat healthy for the new year. Then this next one is a picture of a dog. This is a little hard to get, but I really want a dog in this year. Then another one is this picture, which is, for me, it says about studying, about school. So I need to focus on my studying a lot because my 12th is gonna start this year as well. So I really want to focus on that. And I also have a skincare because I need to prioritize my skincare because my skin wasn't doing great this year, but now I think it's much better. So I need to like continue doing my skincare for that. Then this one is in the clouds. So I really want to travel this year. Last 2 years I haven't been traveling a lot, and I love traveling, so I really want to travel this year. Then this one is a 1K balloon in the clouds. I do want to reach 1K very soon, because we are at 840 subscribers something, and I think I'll be able to reach my goal this year and a little more than that as well. Then I have this quote which says, "You are what you manifest." So I was reading this book and I think I truly agree with manifesting, and I think it is something that I really want to stand by this quote throughout this year, because now after like a few things I think what I've manifested is what's happening. So I really know the true power of manifesting now. So I'll quickly make my vision board and I'll show you guys that. Alright, so you guys, my vision board is all complete. This is what it looks like. I am so happy with how the result is. I am gonna put this as my laptop wallpaper, and I am just so happy with how it turned out. Alright, so you guys, now I think I'm finally prepared to start this new year fresh. And if you still haven't been motivated to do anything, I hope this video made you feel motivated. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next Thursday with a brand new video. Bye!